So today I have a bunch of free crochet patterns to share with you. These are all patterns for different kinds of accessories. So I have a bunch of different categories. We're going to look at bags, we're going to look at hats, hair accessories, jewelry. There's so many different things I have to show you. So how this is going to work, I'm going to show a picture of the pattern up here, and then there'll be a little number in the corner of the screen that will correspond to a number in the description, which will have a link to the free pattern. So all the patterns today have video tutorials, so they're all on YouTube, so you just click it and it takes you straight to the YouTube video and you can start crocheting your accessory. Let me bring up my list and let's get started. First of all, I have a crochet bandana. It's quite easy to do up and it looks so cute in your hair. Next pattern is this easy crochet headband. So it uses granny squares to make a cute little headband if you want a different kind of hair accessory. Now we have a crochet bow. This bow is absolutely gorgeous. You could use it as a hair bow, you could tie it to your bag, you could tie it to your dress, you could do whatever with it. And on the topic of hair accessories, of course I have to include crochet scrunchies. I've crocheted a lot of scrunchies in the past. They're so much fun to do. They're very easy and quick to make up. So another accessory I have is a little crochet hair clip. So this does require you to buy some actual clips and then you crochet around the clips. Everything is explained in this great video tutorial. I will say on this one, the crochet hook you use is probably a little bit smaller than maybe a beginner is used to. Depending on what hooks you have, depending how small you like to crochet, that one might be a little bit trickier because it can be tricky to get used to smaller crochet, but maybe it's just tricky for me and it's not tricky for other people. I don't know. I think it's a good pattern, but just keep that in mind. Then I have this beautiful novelty hair clip, cat hair clips. These little hair clips that look like cats. You put them in your hair and have some little cat friends on your head. Once again, that does require you to buy some hair clips to crochet over. So if you don't have hair clips, or if you don't like hair clips and you still want cat vibes, you could crochet this cat beanie. These look so cute, the little beanie with the little cat ears. I definitely want to make one of those. This pattern is perfect for beginners and perfect if, like me, you're heading into winter and you need some warm hats to wear. I know for a lot of you it's not winter, so I have a bucket hat pattern for you. How cute is this? So this is a granny square bucket hat. More specifically, it uses daisy granny squares to make up a bucket hat. Now I have never made a granny square bucket hat before, but this is very inspiring. I definitely want to do that. The next hat we have on our list is a crochet bunny hat. This is so cute. I love the long ears. I love the two colors. If you love wearing cute outfits, this is the perfect accessory for you. Or you could crochet a frog hat. This is also adorable, also perfect for a cute outfit. The eyes on this hat are just so cute. I've been seeing crochet frog hats for so long and it's just occurring to me, like, why have I never crocheted one? If you've never crocheted one either, this is your sign. Look how cute that is. Moving on to crochet earmuffs. Such a cute idea. There are 3 different earmuffs here. You can do star earmuffs, you can do flower earmuffs, or you can do heart earmuffs. And they just look so aesthetic. Next I have a crochet beanie. This is called a crochet ribbed hat, but it looks like a beanie to me. It has a very cute pom-pom on it and it has that kind of knitted look, even though it's crocheted. So that does require a few more complicated stitches. Not too complicated. Beginners could easily do it, but just if you want something super beginner, I recommend this crochet hat. This is probably the most basic crochet hat you could get. It's beginner basic blue beanie, except you don't have to do it blue. Next we have an easy crochet scarf. This is a light crochet scarf. You know, you could wear it in autumn, you could wear it in spring, you could wear it in summer depending on how hot your summer is. But the thing that makes this one so easy is it's just one row repeat. So you just do the same row over and over and over again until you get your long scarf. And the clusters just look really pretty. If you'd like a warmer scarf, if you'd like a slightly more chunky scarf, I have this beautiful chunky scarf here. It looks so cozy and so warm. The wool it uses is a bit thicker. You use a thicker crochet hook. The pattern is a little bit more complicated than the previous one, but still pretty easy as far as patterns go. Next we have crochet fingerless gloves and leg warmers. I went through a phase where I always wore fingerless gloves and then I didn't wear them for a while, but this is really inspiring me to get back into it. And they have little bows on them. I've never worn leg warmers in my life, but maybe I'm gonna start. Next we have some traditional crochet mittens. These look so warm and cozy. I'm gonna be making some of them for myself for this winter. I realize I've just given you a lot of warm and cozy patterns. That's because I live in Australia. We've just started winter here, so I'm feeling like crocheting up some cozy things, but that's the cozy patterns done. We're moving on. Well, I guess this next one is kind of cozy. It's socks. Socks you wear year round. Okay, maybe these are slightly wintry, these first one, but they're easy and the pattern looks so cool. It's like flat and then it turns into a sock. If you're in summer, you might like this more delicate sock, which has these frills at the top, which looks super cute poking over boots. Now we're moving on to the jewelry section, way past winter cozy stuff. So moving on to this necklace. Specifically, this is a flower choker, so you wear it around your neck. I mean, that's what you do with most necklaces, but it's up a little bit higher and it has little flowers and it just looks really really delicate and pretty. Then I have another crochet choker. This one's a bit thicker, this one's a bit lacier, and it has little beads hanging down from it. Then I have crochet friendship bracelets. So you could do just like a basic friendship band in one color, or you could do a beaded friendship bracelet. So this one you crochet in the beads. They fully explain everything in the video. I was really confused when I saw the thumbnail. I was like, how is that crocheted? But it is, and it's really cool. That's definitely a good one if you were going to the Eras tour and you want to make friendship bracelets. You can crochet them. Next I have some crochet heart earrings. These are so cute. As part of your supplies, you'll need little earring dangly things. But the actual heart pattern is super simple and super quick to make up. And then you can walk around, everyone will compliment your earrings and you'll be like, thanks, I made them. Then I have some crochet flower earrings. Now, the pattern of these is quite easy, but it is venturing into sort of micro crochet territory. So you use quite a small hook, you have to use a specific type of cotton. So that could be a little difficult on that front, and it can be quite like fiddly to see everything up close. But if you're up for the challenge, the pattern's simple. You just got to get over the hurdle of the micro crochet. Now moving on to some bags. I love crocheting bags. Bags are one of my favorite things to crochet. So first of all, I have a crochet gingham bag. Is it called gingham? Gingham? I feel like I'm definitely saying that wrong. Whatever it's called, it's really, really cute. And if you do this pattern, you're going to get really, really good at color changes. As I remember for the longest time, I just couldn't figure out color changes. It took me like one video to be like, oh, that's where you're meant to change it. But if you're where I was, there you go. You can learn, you can practice. And I made a bag quite similar to this. It's not gingham, it's just checked. I don't remember where I got the pattern from, but it looks pretty similar to that one, except that one looks a bit cuter. But yeah, this got me so good at color changing. Now I do it so automatically, I don't even have to think about it. Next bag is a granny square tote bag. You've probably seen these all over TikTok. They're so cute. If you already know how to crochet granny squares as well, that's super easy to whip up. You just have to put the bag together. And it's obviously like totally customizable in whatever color scheme you want. I've got another granny square one. This is granny square hearts though. So cute. I've never done a heart granny square. I think I'm gonna go try and make one after this video. They just look so pretty, and you can do whatever colors you like. I feel like I say that for every pattern and everyone's like, yeah, obviously you can choose whatever colors you like. But every time I see a pattern, I'm just like, that would look good in purple. The last of our tote bags is a crochet star tote bag. This one uses that pixel grid crochet where you use like a chart and you go along and you have to do each stitch quite carefully, color change in the right spot. So that one's a little bit more advanced. If you're going to pick a tote bag to start off with, maybe don't pick that one, or maybe you do. Maybe you're up for the challenge. Honestly, the thing with most crochet patterns is, as long as you take it step by step, it might take you a little while, but these are all video tutorials, so you just keep following the video tutorial and you'll be great. Now I have a few cute little handbags to show you. The first one is called a mini sling bag. It has cherries on it and this cute little frill around the edge. So adorable. The next cute little bag is a bit of a novelty one. It's a crochet dinosaur bag. That is so cute. It has these cute little teeth, cute little arms, cute little cheeks. What a great pattern. And another cute bag is this heart bag. It's a bag in the shape of a heart. I remember the day before I went to Harry Styles Love on Tour, I was like, I should have crocheted a heart bag for this. So if you have Harry Styles Love on Tour coming up, there's your pattern. You can make a heart bag. It also has a bonus pattern of a little heart keychain. Now speaking of keychains, I have a few other bag accessories and keychain patterns for you. These are all really good if you want a really small crochet project to do up quickly. And the best thing about them is you can put them on every bag. You can just have one crochet accessory, move it around to every bag, and everyone will know that you crochet. First little charm I have is these cherries. You can see in the picture here how they attach to the bag, and it just looks so cute, especially on this black bag. Just gives it this little pop of color. Then I have this crochet lily of the valley, which is a long name for a pretty looking flower. That you can do a similar thing as the cherry. You can just tie it on your bag strap, and you could do it in lots of different colors. That way, no matter what color you're wearing, you'll have one to add to your bag to match your outfit. Oh my god, I need to do that. Except I pretty much exclusively wear purple, so I guess I'll just be making one. And the next pattern I have is another 3 patterns in one. So this has got 3 different cute bag accessories. There's a photo card holder, which is really smart. You make like a little photo keychain, you put a picture of your pet in it, it's perfect. Or you can make a cute little star or a cute little butterfly. And then the final little bag accessory I have for you is this crochet frog pouch. How adorable is that? You can just have a little frog hanging out on your bag, and it's a pouch, so you could put coins in there, you could put headphones in there. So very cute, but also functional. When I saw that pattern, I was like, that is so smart. You could just crochet any pouch and attach it to your bag. So I have a few more crochet pouches for you now. First pouch is this mini flower pouch. It's got a granny square, and then you just do up the top to make it into a pouch, and you'll learn how to do a little drawstring. But that one was so cute. You could tie that to your bag, put it in your bag, or just carry it around in your hand. You know, like if you're at a market and you need like a little coin purse, it's perfect. Or you could have this crochet net pouch. This is so cute, and it's got that kind of like mesh look to to it. And then this one is a pouch, but specifically it's an AirPod pouch. It's a strawberry AirPod pouch, so the perfect size to put your AirPods and their case in. And I just think it looks so adorable. If you're like me and you don't have AirPods, you could just roll up your headphones and chuck them in there too. Now I have 2 patterns left for you today. They are both water bottle holders. So they're kind of bags, but specifically they're bags for your water bottle. And I just think that's super smart. I always carry a water bottle around and it would be smart to have its own little bag for it. The first one is an easier one. It's the mesh bottle holder. And the second one is a strawberry themed bottle holder. This one has a few more complicated stitches, but still easy enough to do for a beginner. Well, that is all my crochet accessory patterns for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun looking through patterns and there's a lot of things I want to go make. I'm gonna go do that and I will see you in another video soon. Bye!